Hey there, Team Your Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. It is a chilly morning out here in Knoxville. Hey, not too chill to show you all this badass pit just rolled out of the shop. This is a Fridge 36 going on man Mark. What a great backyard patio smoker here, guys. Compact footprint, a lot of versatility. Let's check it out. Now, as you can see, it is on our caster package here. With the caster package, you get a fold down front shelf standard. Folds up, locks in place, paper towel utensil holder on there. Ball valve grease drain, guys. Every single one of our offset smokers comes with a grease drain with a ball valve on it, so you're not gonna be leaking grease all over the place. You got a pull handle on the side here. We'll open up the smoke chamber. Now, guys, the Fridge is our cabinet door style pit here. We'll make it as small as a 36, like you see here, up to, hey, I'll build you one 10-foot long if you want it, all right? Standard is gonna be 36, 48, and 60. And you got 3 sliding trays in the Fridge. This is a reverse flow smoker. So you got removable reverse flow plates down the bottom. That directs the heat and smoke all the way across and then back out. Makes for very even temperatures inside the cook chamber there. Of course, got our Team G Pits Tell Truth thermometers on there, made in the USA, up in New York. Come around to the hot box. This is our 30-inch hot box. Y'all know the deal, 5 sliding trays in here. Totaling, y'all ready for this? 1,776 square inches of all-American cook space in this here vertical smoker. Now, what's nice about our hot box is it runs independent from the smoke chamber. So not only can you smoke in here, right, you can use it as a warmer, you can get direct fire in here. A very versatile option there. Down on the firebox, this is our standard firebox, all 1/4-inch plate steel, the whole smoker, firebox and all 1/4-inch plate steel. Got your fire management cradle as well. D-ring tie down points in all 4 corners. Ash clean out. All right, that comes standard. Just a great all-around smoker for the back patio. Say, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. Team G Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.